right, so right now the students are looking at articles that have been curated by myself. They're on the LibGuide, so they all had a number that they're looking at, and they are using Diigo, which is a social bookmarking tool. I've created a teacher account for this, and I can manage. None of them have signed up with an email. I have created an account for them. They have a password, and we're all adding to a group. So right now we are using the model of class model of garbage and waste, and they each will be pursuing their own inquiry around another social issue of their choice, whether it's poverty or other environmental issues. So right now they're looking at the articles, they're annotating, they're highlighting, they're adding value. So we had a discussion around how they can do that, what that criteria would look like by asking questions, really digging deep into the information, making personal connections. So they highlight, they can add sticky notes to this. It's a really fantastic tool. And then all of the students can then go and look at all of the articles that people have posted and added to Diigo and look at what they've highlighted and annotated and the description of why this was a useful resource and how that adds value to the group and for our inquiry that we're doing together. So it's a great tool for a teacher as well, because I can see how often students are adding to Diigo and what kind of content, what they're accessing, and then I can go back and say, hey, you know, we're all adding Wikipedia. Maybe we need to have a lesson on accuracy, reliability, and digging deeper into that. So that's what they're doing.
Find some information. Okay.
You can always write
Vermicomposting is basically just compost with worms.
Oh, perfect. Okay. And are you?
It's a compost that'll help a certain.
Okay, and then I can actually use this through the.
Why does words have to be like
garbage?
So continuing on from our last class and continuing on with our inquiry of the investigate phase, we will be exploring garbage and waste and investigating and annotating, curating that information as a group. And then you'll have a chance at the end to reflect on some of your learning of how Diigo is able to assist with your annotations and thinking about the text. So this is your chance to explore, and you all know accessing the LibGuide, you can select your information that you're going to be looking at and dissecting and annotating and asking those questions. You can go back and look at the criteria that we've created as a class of what we might expect to have on that when we're adding value to the information. So go ahead, guide, and you have a number. So remember, you have your number 3, your number 4. That's the article that you're looking at.
Okay.